In the early hours before sunrise, when cities still sleep, a dish slowly comes to life. This is Nihari. Its story begins in the royal kitchens of Mughal Empire, where kings demanded food that was rich, powerful, and deeply nourishing. The name Nihari comes from the Arabic word nahar, meaning morning, because this wasn't just food, it was breakfast for warriors, cooked overnight on low flame. Nihari is a slow-simmered stew made from beef or mutton, infused with bone marrow, spices, and thyme. Lots of thyme. The secret lies in patience. As the meat softens and the flavors deepen, the broth transforms into something thick, rich, and unforgettable. Every spoon carries centuries of tradition. From royal courts, Nihari traveled to the bustling streets of Delhi, where it became a favorite among workers who needed strength for the day ahead. But history took a turn. After the partition in 1947, many Muslim families migrated to Karachi, bringing Nihari with them. And here, it found a new home. Today, Karachi is considered the heart of Nihari culture. From small roadside stalls to legendary eateries, the dish has evolved, but its soul remains unchanged. Hot, spicy, slow-cooked perfection, served with naan, ginger, and a squeeze of lemon. Nihari is not just a meal. It's history in a bowl. It's culture, tradition, and comfort. And as the sun rises, one thing is certain. Some stories are best told slowly.